Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to get an Instagram account that's taken, a username that's taken by someone else on Instagram that you want. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and Instagram videos every single day, and I have over 100 Instagram videos on this channel, so please consider subscribing. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is my brand, Howfinity, and that username is actually taken. So when I search for that name, someone else actually copied my username a few months after I started the brand. So I want to get this account back from them. So there's two ways to do it. The very obvious way is just going to their profile, pressing the three dots and sending a message. Now you could offer him a value. For example, you could offer him $100 to give you that username, but most likely that's not going to happen. If it does happen, they could simply change their username and it will make that username available for you to take. But in my previous attempts to get this with other brands, it has not been successful. People simply don't respond back to me. So the second and more effective option is actually reporting to Instagram. So click the link in the description. I have a link to this help page on Instagram where you could actually report someone impersonating your account. So in this case, that's exactly what's happened. Someone has taken my brand name and created an account months after I had created that brand name, that website. And this could be happening for you too. So let's go through some of the options on this page. So the one that's good for me is someone created an account for my business or organization. So that's what's happening to me. So I'll have to go through, press that, and then file a report. You see that blue text here? If I go ahead and press that, it's going to ask me to file a report, and I could see what kind of infringement is happening here, copyright, trademark, or other issues like reporting an impersonation account. I'm going to go back here. The most common case is going to be someone created an account pretending to be me. So if you choose that, it's going to give you some options. Yes, I am the person being impersonated, for example. That could be the option you choose, and you have to fill out your username, your full name, your email, and then the full name listed on the account that you're reporting, and then the Instagram user of the reported account. So fill all that out, and on the bottom, it's going to ask you to upload a photo ID to prove that it's you. If it's a business account, it's a different process. Obviously, you have to go through the other page. But for a personal account, do all this. Once you upload your image, press send. And once you do that, Instagram will actually review all these individually, and it usually takes up to a week to get a response back from them. It's not guaranteed, but this is your best bet in getting an Instagram account that's taken, especially if it's inactive or someone is impersonating you. It's really easy. In other cases, it might be more difficult, but usually with inactive accounts, it's going to be really easy to get them. Or if you have the name copyrighted, for example, or if you have a website, you could go ahead and explain that to Instagram, and you'll have a better shot at getting your account username. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily social media videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.